Hello all, my name is Asritha. Today, me and my team are going to talk about the marine ecosystems, structure, processes and function, biochemical cycles and even the human impacts. So here we go, hope you like it.
The marine ecosystem is the largest and most critical biospheric unit of our planet, covering over 70% of Earth's surface. It's not merely a body of water, but a complex multi-dimensional theater of energy transformation and chemical cycling. Ecosystem structure. The marine ecosystem is defined by its structure. The abiotic components, including salinity, tidal velocity, and the calcium carbonate (CaCO3) substrate, dictate the limits of life. The biotic components are divided into zones. Primary producers like beach morning glory stabilize the dunes, while calcified organisms like barnacles, oysters provide the physical architecture for the intertidal community. Ecosystem function and energy function is measured through the movement of energy. Primary production begins with coastal vegetation and phytoplankton capturing solar energy. This energy begins through trophic levels from grazers like sea snails to scavengers like ghost crabs. Even in depth, a standard sea turtle fulfills an essential ecosystem function, acting as concentrated nutrient source for the detrivores, preventing energy loss from the system.
Biogeochemical cycles. The marine ecosystems are the engines of biogeochemical cycles. The carbon cycle is invisible in the shells of mollusks, which sequester dissolved CO2 into solid CaCO3. As these shells weather or dissolve, carbon and minerals are recycled back into the water column. Similarly, the nitrogen and phosphorus cycles are fueled by organic decomposition on the shore. Ecosystem process and human impact. Processes like sedimentation, erosion, and nutrient cycling maintain the equilibrium of the thin blue line, the ocean. However, human intervention via overfishing and recreational shoreline use despite these processes. More than a habitat, the marine ecosystem is a global regulator. It divides the world's climate, generates every second breath of oxygen we take through phytoplanktonic photosynthesis, and manages the planet's heat. It is the ultimate practitioner of zero waste, where ecosystem processes and ensures that a fallen organism is never an end, but a beginning, a vital injection of nutrients back into the biochemical cycle that sustains all terrestrial life. Human activities have caused serious marine pollution, posing a major threat to marine ecosystems. It is estimated that 8 to 14 million tons of plastic waste entered the oceans every year, leading to the accumulation of over 75 million tons of plastic currently present in marine ecosystems. Marine pollution affects more than 800 marine species, causing injury, entanglement, poisoning, and death, and it is disrupting the food webs, reduced biodiversity, and threatens the all over health and balance of the marine ecosystems.
Therefore, the marine ecosystem is not a collection of isolated parts, but a singular breathing machine. From the microscopic of carbon in a seashell to the massive energy transfer of a decomposing whale, every process is a link in a global chain. When we protect the thin blue line of our shores, we aren't just saving sand and water, we are preserving the chemical and biological foundation that makes life on Earth possible. The balance is delicate, the responsibility is ours.